The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
Thank you for life, Lord Jesus, for being alive. Thank you for everybody. And it's still our good people out here. Lord, it's only you, Lord. It's only you. It's only you. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for being alive today. And I'm not a pain, but I'm thankful for it. Thankful for being alive. Thankful for being alive.
Viewers and subscribers, the lady that I see right there giving thanks is the lady that was a part of an incident that happened on the 2nd of August 2019, where a car ran over a female that was laying unconscious in the road of Trinidad and Tobago. This video shows of the lady doing an interview with one of Trinidad and Tobago's counselors, and she is showing the injuries that she got. You can see an injury to her hand and to her face. This is an update to let my viewers and subscribers know that the lady is okay and the issue is now in the hands of the Trinidad and Tobago police force, and an investigation is now going on. On the day of the incident, the lady had an epileptic seizure and she's now explaining that she's feeling some pains. Alright, viewers and subscribers, so for those who are new to this topic, there will be a link at the end of the video so that you can get a better understanding of what actually happened on the 2nd of August 2019. Alright, viewers and subscribers, so there you have it. Let me know what you think about something like this as always, and don't forget to read the comments, because some of the time our viewers and subscribers will leave some comments that's very informative. Alright, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?